Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 18 September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Bamboo Day is observed every year on. Answer is 18 September. World Bamboo Day is observed every year on 18 September to raise awareness of the benefits of bamboo. The theme for World Bamboo Day 2024 is Next Generation Bamboo, Solution, Innovation, and Design. World Bamboo Day was officially declared by the World Bamboo Organization on 18 September at the 8th World Bamboo Congress held in Bangkok in 2009. Question number 2. World Water Monitoring Day is observed every year on. Answer is 18 September. The World Water Monitoring Day is observed every year on 18 September since 2003 to increase public awareness and involvement in water monitoring and protecting water resources around the world. The World Water Monitoring Day was first brought into existence in 2003 by America's Clean Water Foundation, ACWF. Question number 3. Who has inaugurated the 8th India Water Week in 2024? Answer is Draupadi Murmu. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the 8th India Water Week on 17 September 2024. The biennial 4-day event is being held at the Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi from 17 to 20th September 2024. The 8th India Water Week theme is Partnerships and Cooperation for Inclusive Water Development and Management. The Union Ministry of Jal Shakti organized the first Indian Water Week in 2012. Question number 4. In which state was India's first Vande Metro inaugurated? Answer is Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off India's first Vande Metro service between Bhuj and Ahmedabad on 16 September 2024. India's first Vande Metro service has been renamed as Namo Bharat Rapid Rail. The train has 12 air-conditioned coaches, equipped with modern facilities and advanced safety systems like Kavach to prevent collisions. The train also had an automatic smoke or fire detection mechanism and a seating capacity of 1,150 passengers. Question number 5. Which union minister has launched the NPS Vatsalya scheme for minors? Answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Finance Minister, launched the NPS Vatsalya scheme for minors in New Delhi on 17 September 2024. This initiative allows parents to invest in pension accounts for their children with flexible contributions starting at 1,000 rupees annually, offering long-term wealth building through compounding. National Pension System NPS Vatsalya is for minors under 18 years of age and who are residents of India. Question number 6. The 4th Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet and Expo, Reinvest 2024, was organized in. Answer is Gandhinagar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the 4th Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet and Expo, Reinvest 2024, held at the Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, on 16 September 2024. The 3-day 4th Global Renewable Reinvest 2024 has been organized in Gandhinagar from September 16 to 18, 2024. Australia, Denmark, Germany, and Norway are participating as partner countries in the 4th Expo. Question number 7. Who is the first Pakistani woman to become an international cricket umpire? Answer is Salima Imtiaz. Pakistan Cricket Board announced that Salima Imtiaz has been nominated to the ICC's Development Umpire Panel, the first Pakistani woman to achieve this status. With this, she will be able to umpire in women's bilateral international matches and ICC women's competitions. Salima Imtiaz began her umpiring career with the Pakistan Cricket Board (PCB) Women's Panel in 2008, and she officiated in the 2022 Asia Cup and the 2023 ACC Emerging Women's Cup in Hong Kong as well. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal (SSB)? Answer is Amrit Mohan Prasad. Senior IPS officer Amrit Mohan Prasad has been appointed as the Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal (SSB). Prasad, a 1989 batch Indian Police Service IPS officer of Odisha cadre, is presently working as Special Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF). Earlier, Dalit Singh Chaudhary, an IPS officer, was the Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal (SSB). Question number 9. Who recently announced his resignation from the post of Chief Minister of Delhi? Answer is Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal announced his resignation as Delhi Chief Minister after getting bail in the excise policy case. He wants to prove his innocence through the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections. Kejriwal has called for early elections in November 2024 instead of February 2025. Kejriwal founded the Aam Aadmi Party (AAP) in 2012. Question number 10. At which place did India successfully test fire vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile (VLSM)? Answer is Chandipur. India successfully test-fired vertical launch short-range surface-to-air missile (VLSM) at Chandipur in Odisha. The test was conducted jointly by the Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO) and the Indian Navy. The missile has a range of 30 kilometers and can reach a height of 12 kilometers. Question number 11. Which country recently launched the Chandrayaan-1 satellite? Answer is Iran. Iran has successfully launched its research satellite, Chandrayaan-1, into space recently. It is an Iranian research satellite designed and manufactured by Iranian engineers at Iran Electronics Industries, SA Iran. It was put into orbit at an altitude of 550 kilometers, 341 miles above the Earth's surface, on board a homegrown GAME-100 space launch vehicle, SLV. Question number 12. Who has won Best Actress Critics Award at the South Indian International Movie Awards, SIMA, 2024? Answer is Aishwarya Rai. The 2024 South Indian International Movie Awards, SIMA, took center stage in Dubai, celebrated South Indian cinema on 14th and 15th September 2024. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has received the Best Actress Critics Award for her role in Maniratnam's epic Ponniyin Selvan II, directed by Mani Ratnam. Question number 13. Who has been recognized as the most photogenic UNESCO World Heritage Site in Asia by Times Travel? Answer is Angkor Wat. Cambodia's Angkor Wat has been recognized as the most photogenic UNESCO World Heritage Site in Asia by Times Travel, as announced by Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet on 15 September. Located in the Angkor Archaeological Park in Siem Reap Province, Angkor Wat is a prominent temple within a 401 square kilometer park featuring 91 ancient temples built between the 9th and 13th centuries. It is Cambodia's most visited tourist destination. Question number 14. The theme song, Vot Ka Tyohar, recently launched in which state or union territory? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. To encourage voter participation in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, CEO, Jammu and Kashmir, launched the theme song, Vot Ka Tyohar. The song, released by Chief Electoral Officer, CEO, Pandurang K. Pol, is aimed at motivating voters across Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory to cast their votes in the Assembly elections, which begin on 18 September 2024 across 7 districts. Question number 15. Who has been selected for next general digital platform of LIC? Answer is Infosys. The Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, has selected Infosys to develop its next-generation digital platform as part of its DIVE, Digital Innovation and Value Enhancement Program. Infosys has been chosen through a request for proposal (RFP) process to build this advanced digital insurance platform, marking a significant shift from LIC's previous IT collaborations with Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, and Tech Mahindra. Question number 16. When is the Swachhata Hi Seva Abhiyan 2024 started? Answer is 17 September. Swachhata Hi Seva Abhiyan 2024 has been organized from 17 September to 2 October across the country. The theme of Swachhata Hi Seva Abhiyan 2024 is Swabhav Swachhata Sanskar Swachhata. The campaign have a number of 212 cleanliness target unit, including 189 urban areas and 23 rural areas. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.